Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study in a library for UPSC. First, select a quiet spot that minimizes distractions, ensuring a focused environment. Next, meticulously organize all your study materials, including books and notes, before you begin. Remember to bring essentials like water and a small, non-disruptive snack to sustain your energy throughout your study period. This preparation sets the stage for productive learning. To maximize your library time, prioritize subjects according to your UPSC study plan, focusing on areas needing more attention. Implement active recall techniques, regularly testing yourself on concepts and practicing questions. This strengthens memory retention. Crucially, take short, scheduled breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every hour, to prevent burnout and maintain high levels of concentration throughout your study session. Stay disciplined. Libraries offer invaluable resources. Access a wide array of reference books and academic journals to gain in-depth knowledge on various UPSC topics. Don't overlook the digital resources and online databases available, which can provide current affairs and specialized articles. If you encounter research challenges, do not hesitate to seek assistance from the librarians. They are experts ready to offer guidance and support for your studies. Use these tools wisely. Maintaining consistency is key to long-term success. Establish a consistent study schedule, dedicating specific hours each day to your UPSC preparation, even if it's just for a short period. Regularly review your progress weekly to identify strengths and weaknesses, allowing you to adjust your approach. And hey, if you're looking for other great deals, check the description for a link to grab a Little Trees Black Ice air freshener for your car. Keep pushing forward.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.